2019 Audi S5 Sportback versus the 2019 Audi RS5 Sportback. The major difference is horsepower. 369 horsepower for the S Sportback versus 444 horsepower for the RS Sportback. And that just about 100 horsepower is going to cost you roughly around $50,000. One of the main reasons why I don't think that the RS5 S Sportback or the RS5 Sportback is a safe car is because it has frameless doors. So the only thing that's protecting you from a side impact from a giant SUV is a B-pillar. Now the A-pillar can sometimes protect you from it depending on the angle that it hits you on, but if you get a full side impact, the door has no frame around it to give you that extra support. Now, Audi had to reinforce the roof for rollover crash safety test, but the frame around the door actually helps you in protecting you from that side impact crash, because now the only thing that's going to protect you from a side impact crash is the B-pillar, if that's the angle of the direction of the crash on either the driver's side or the passenger side. And that's why frameless doors are pretty unsafe and unreliable to protect you in a safety crash. So those are one of the reasons why the Sportback that Audi design is not a good idea. They probably did that in order to save weight, just to gain like a little bit of horsepower out of the car and to gain a little bit of fuel economy out of the car. And that's for me is not worth it. I would rather be in a safe car than be in a nice looking, expensive car that people may or may not admire you being in. The other thing that the Audi S5 Sportback fails at is cargo ability. So one of the things you can't do is you can't put a rear hitch on it because there's all the plastic that's underneath it, and the unibody frame most likely won't accept a rear hitch for it. So the only means that you have is the old-fashioned roof rack clips, if you could even find anything that's going to work with that car, because the roof clips usually work with frame doors that the frame closes on the clip and secures the clip in place so it won't come out. So now the only thing you have that's going to secure the roof rack to the car is the glass, and the glass is not going to be able to hold the clip. And this S5 and RS5 does not come with roof clips. I believe that Audi couldn't put them in because of weakened the roof structure, because of the panoramic sunroof that they put in there, and it's all glass. So in case you do roll over, you only have the two roof rails on the left and the right protecting you from a total collapse on the car, where the door frames would have helped in that case, and it just would have made the car a lot stronger. So the Sportback, is a great design. It does have a lot of capacity, all kinds of stuff. This is a nice carbon fiber heater. That's pretty cool. Nice Audi, big Audi emblem. The nose is really nice. Nice carbon fiber, more carbon fiber. Carbon fiber mirrors. And this is the 2019 Audi RS5 Sportback. Manufacturer sale retail price $100,000. Pretty good gas mileage. And let's open up the rear trunk. That is pretty roomy. That pops up. that goes down. So if you're an active guy and you want a sporty car with a hatchback, I mean, you know, there is a lot of room here. See, you can sit here and tailgate. So for a sports car, this is a well-designed car, in my opinion. You have more carbon fiber down here where the tips are. It's pretty cool. This car probably gets up and goes. So let's see what happens there. That's pretty good. That works good. You're not going to get killed. Let's check out the engine. Beautiful hood. I love the color green. I mean, this is a nice green. Whew, look at that. That is nice. The turbos are down there somewhere. This is nice. Carbon fiber. Air intake right here. Nice red. Yeah, very nice car. So here's the intercooler, must be back here somewhere. Because I guess they have this here for the heat. For the turbos. Full panoramic roof. It's a very nice car for a 4-door. Check out the back seat. It's pretty good. Well, they give you a lot of leg room, and that's what you need for the driver. You need that leg room. If you have somebody in the back, then you're just gonna have to move the seat up a little bit. But I would rather have the leg room. Let's bring this down. Move the seat up. It says RS right on the seat there. It's a beautiful seats. Very nice. So there's the seat down. And wow, you can put a lot of stuff in there. A lot. It's like an SUV on steroids. Put a skis in there, a lot of stuff. You probably put I don't think you put a tow. You can't put a tow hitch on that. That's a no-go. And that thing opens up way up. You could probably adjust it. So you're not putting anything on the roof here. You're gonna have to get ski racks that go on here, or roof racks to take a bike. You're not gonna have a bike, a tow hitch for a bike rack. This is John. Thanks for watching. Peace out.